It's Curly Got here, and I am back with my third installation of my Aunt Jackie's series over here. And yes, I am back with the third video, and in today's video I'm going to be featuring none other than their Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Quench. If you guys don't know, this is the hashtag AJ main attraction, and this is the product that I'll be using today. Now this product says that it revives dry hair with Aunt Jackie's moisture rich leave-in treatment. Natural ingredients include marshmallow root, gives great slip, and just enough moisture to keep the thirstiest coils and curls refreshed. Now you guys know I just had those two braids in, those two lazy braids for my last video. Well, this is the result of what that looks like after taking it out. So I'm gonna restyle this. My hair is still clean because I just washed my hair not even 3 days ago, probably not even that long. So without doing too much, I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in it. So if you guys want to see how I restyle my hair using this moisturizer, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so essentially my hair was just looking a hot mess, so I just decided to go ahead and do this style. It's getting close to the Christmas holiday, and I always do my hair in a wash and go, or you know, a twist out, a braid out. So I wanted to do something a little bit different. So this is kind of a updo / half up half down kind of situation, and basically all I'm doing is going ahead and pulling my hair in the back out of the way, and I'm just going to go ahead and take these two sections and slick them up into a kind of a top knot bun. And all I'm doing is spritzing my hair and then moisturizing it with that moisturizer. The moisturizer was a little different. It was thinner than I thought it was going to be, but I didn't mind because, like I said, I am putting my hair up, and I didn't want a really thick product anyway to have a lot of buildup and residue on my hair. So this product was perfect for that. It was really lightweight and it smelled really good. So I definitely enjoyed that. And all I really did, you guys, was brush my hair up, and then I did apply some of my favorite gel that I'm using at the moment just to slick everything down and make it look nice and sleek. But yeah, all I did was that and pretty much brush it up and put that into a bun. And then the only thing I did after that really was I went on and put the back side of my hair, I put it into 4 individual plaits just to give me something hanging down. I didn't want my hair just hanging, but I didn't want to put it up in the bun as well, so I went on and plaited it up as well. And then the only thing I did besides that was I went on and took that little section in the front, and I made 2 plaits out. I made 2 twists out of that, which I thought really looked cute, and they really pulled the whole style together. And then I just tied it up and slept like that, and then came back with the final result. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm back, and this is pretty much the final result. This is what I came up with. I like this because it's simple and it's like, you know, not all over the place. Well, except for these pieces, but you can omit this if you want to. You can even pull them back or do whatever you want to with them. I like them hanging, obviously, but yeah. So I enjoyed this moisturizer. It definitely kept my hair moist. I could feel, at first I was like, because it had a funny texture to it, but after I got it in my hair, it was bomb, obviously. So yeah, to go ahead and give you my pap scale, the performance was good. My hair is moisturized, it still feels moisturized, and I did put a gel on top. So yeah, I mean, you know how gels do. Accessibility, you can get this at the same places that you can get the other one. I don't really have to touch on that. The price, this one actually varies depending on where you buy it. I've seen it as low as $5, and then I've seen it as much as $8. So it actually just depends on where you buy it, but Either way, this is 12 fluid ounces, and that's cheaper than most of your faves natural products. So I would still say this is a win. Overall, if you wanted me to rate it out of 10, this definitely gets an 8 as well. The reason being is because this product is a little bit thinner. Even though I do like to have some thin products in my stash, this is a little bit more watery than I care for the winter time. Although my hair does feel very moisturized in my bun. So yeah. But definitely go check out these products, you guys. And I have one more good video coming up for you, and this one is, I promise you, it's not going to disappoint. But yeah, I don't want to keep this video too long, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you try this style, you guys. It's very simple, it's very holiday friendly, and yeah, just remember, guys, if you can't keep it curly or braided, keep it classy. Bye guys, I'll see you in my next one.